What is up, you guys, man? Today it's your boy Taxi on the lens, and we're back at it again with another one, man. I don't know what I'm doing today, don't know what I'm shooting. I just know I got booked and somebody booked me, so they're on their way now. They're almost here. We're about to get straight to it, man. It's a whole lot of gas. I want to start talking to you guys a lot more about things that I'm going to be doing in the future. So we're gonna we have a studio space coming soon, man. Studio space coming. I mean, we're already in a studio space, but it's gonna be the same space, but it's just gonna be another setting. But yeah, little bit of different location. Whole lot of gas. We're gonna have some fun, man. Yeah, so just let me know what else you guys want to know, what else you guys want to see, and I can do something like that. I'll probably do some more behind the scenes and a lot more of like the, you know, talking to my like models. I just did a video where I was talking to them about like my process and like how I do as a photographer. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, let me know and I can do some videos like that as well. It's also pretty fun to me. And yeah, I love you guys. I want to say thank you. We're about to get into it. Let's do it. Yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi on the lens. We're back at it again with another one. Today we have
Kiana.
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram at King Kiana with 2 A's on the end.
I'm gonna put it above her head so you guys can like check that out, and I'll put the link down below. Today she came to me with a comp card shoot. You guys know I've been running my little deal. I got my little $50 deal. So we got one of these shoots going on right now. I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I set up, how I take the pictures, but we're gonna get her some headshots in, some nice side profile as well for her comp cards. Let's do it. Just look straight at, there we go. So guys, you're gonna have them looking straight at first, just to get them tones in. We're gonna try to pull up these tones. So with melanated skin, it's a lot easier to shoot melanated skin when you're doing headshot. It's just composing it, right? This thing is shaking. I got two 6600 Neewer lights on the side, just lighting the subject, and I have two big SL60Ws in the back, also just backlighting for you guys, so you guys can see everything that's going on. Let me give you guys a little bit better of an angle, just like that right there. So this is my beauty dish on the 8200. You're good. All right, let's do it. Ready? Hold. Hold it. Bring the beauty just a little bit closer, you guys. Make sure it's 45-degree angle above the model's head, so that way it casts nicely onto their face. There we go. Right into the lens. One more. Going up on my S-stop. There we go, I think I got it. And these were all test shots before.
Oh, these are all test shots?
These are all test shots. Okay. So this is just me getting your skin tone right, which is, I chose this one.
Okay, that's good.
All right, so you guys, I'm at ISO 100, f-stop 2.8 to focus in on those eyes, and then I'm at shutter speed 1/160. So now we're about to go ahead and go live after we just got these test shots in. Let's do it. All right, bet. Do you want to smile and stuff or no?
I don't know.
You can do both.
Okay, yeah, I do want.
So just do. You can do both. You can do both. So you have a little bit of variety. You get to have all of them. So you could do both. Hold it. Hold it. I'll tell you when to smile. All right, look right here. Yeah, I am very much so. I don't like that look. Where are you looking?
Just looking.
I don't think you were looking at me. Where were you? You look like mad. Oh. You know what I mean? Like you looked mad the first time, but your eyes were more open. Like you're daggering. All right, so let's try it again. There we go. Ready? And there we go. Give me like a subtle smile. Now turn to the side, just like that, and keep looking sideways. There we go. Hold it fully sideways, just like that. Yep. Now opposite, sideways, so the other way. You guys, I would usually be using a clamshell beauty dish with this as well, but that's for like if you're trying to boost up the highlights a lot more. And right now this is enough for me. There we go, hold it. Now turn diagonal, there we go, just like that, there we go. And then look side, there we go, like that, hold it. All right, now you can smile. And look right here, hold it. Look what we got so far.
I like the picture. Oh, that one's good too. Yeah, my neck is so fucking long.
Bro, stop looking at the length of your neck.
What? No, because you see how long it is though. Like,
but it doesn't look long right here though.
No, it doesn't look as long.
It's not crazy long. From the full side, it looks, yeah.
Oh my God.
That bit looks crazy, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, that's what. My neck is so long. That's crazy. Oh my God. Okay.
It looks fine like that though, because your chin helps eliminate like the visual. Yeah. You know? All right, bet. LOL. All right, you want the so I'll do quarter body now, which is like knees up.
Okay, wait. Cause
Oh, you want to do it? Okay, bet. Come on, let's do it again. All right, bet. I got you. All right, I got you.
It was like.
All right, bet. Let's do it again. Hold it. Look right here. Remember to have that beauty dish close, you guys. Better?
I guess. Okay, yeah.
Bet. All right, turn to the side again.
Oh, we're doing it all over?
Not all. Just like this one and then and one more. Hold on. Hold it. There we go. And then this way, and that's it. And then I'll go to like the quarter shots. Hold it. So this is a quarter shot. Like it's like knee up.
Okay.
And this is just headshot. So we're gonna do these now. And you can kind of like freestyle it with these.